Hello everyone. Welcome back to Online Help Guide. Today, in this video, I will be showing you how to send location on Telegram. First, open the Telegram app on your phone. Choose a user you want to send location. Now, tap on the attachment pin. Tap on location. You will see two options, send my current location and share my live location for. Tap on any option you want to send, and you will send the location on Telegram. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful and you're able to send the location on Telegram. If you like our video, then don't forget to hit the like button on our video and comment down if you have any question or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon to our channel.